Hello friends, good morning. This is Amit Rathi and I hope last week you have enjoyed the Vedic math tricks. So let's begin our this week's session. This week we are going to learn two new tricks. On Wednesday we have shared you the trick multiplication of any two digit numbers with a very fast calculative way. So let us begin with the trick and then we'll move on to our trick for the Saturday. Okay, so let me take an example. Suppose 29 multiplied by 43. Now randomly if we want to calculate this, the trick is very absolutely fantastic. Our step 1, we need to multiply the first two digits. So 2 fours is 8. Our step 2, we will multiply the last two digits. So the last two digits are 9 and 3, and 9 3s is 27. Let's move on to our step number 3. In step number 3, we need to cross multiply. So when we will be cross multiplying, it will be 2 into 3 and 4 into 9. So 2 into 3 plus 4 into 9, that will be 6 plus 36, which is equal to 42. And now the last step is how to assemble them. So 8 will be as it is. In the center it will be 42 and in the last we have got 27. Now next and final step would be 7 remains as it is. This 2 will get carry forward to 42. So 42 plus 2 becomes 44. 4 will remain there and another 4 goes to 8. So finally, after doing the carry forward, your answer is 29 into 43 is not other than 1247. So this is how randomly you can solve multiplication of any two digit numbers. I hope the trick is clear to you all. Now let's move on our trick number 4. So our trick number 4 is how to calculate quickly square of any two digit number. Like for example, let us find square of 57. Now the first step here is that you need to form a plus sign like this. Take the last digit 7. Square of 7 is 49. You have to write it in this portion. Next number is 5. Square of 5 is none other than 25, which you have to write like this. And last step is you have to multiply all the numbers you can see in the equation. So we can see 5, we can see 7, and also we can see this 2. So 5 7s is 35 and 35 2s is 70. So you have to write 70 such a way that 7 will be here and 0 comes exactly below 4. And now is your last step, which is nothing but you have to add this sum. 9 will become 9, 4 plus 0 becomes 4, 5 plus 7 becomes 12, so you can write 2, 1 will be carried forward and 1 plus 2 is 3, and this is your answer. So your answer is 3249. Now we will take one more example because there is a typical form where carry forward would be there. So let us see that example also, so it will help you. Like for example, if we say 69, square of 69. So let us make the sign. Last digit is 9, 9 square is 81, first digit is 6, the square would be 36, and now 6 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2. 6 9 is 54 and 54 2 is 108. Now in the last example we had a 2-digit number, so the fashion was we have taken 7 and then here 0. But remember, if you have a 3-digit number, always only the last digit will go in this quadrant and the remaining will be here, right? So now when you make addition of this, you will get your final answer. 1 will come as it is. 8 plus 8 is 16, so 6, 1 goes carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 0 would be 7, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is your final answer, 4761. Now let me conclude by giving you a hint. Suppose if you have a number ending with 2, then what? So when you write the square of 2, always remember, never write square of 2 as 4. Whenever you want to write, this would be wrong, you will get the wrong answer. Always remember, if the square of last digit number is a single digit number, you have to always write it in this fashion. You have to write 0 in front of it. And which will be those numbers? 1. 1 square is 1. 2. 2 square is 4. And 3. 3 square is 9. So whenever the last digit is either 1, 2 or 3, and when their squares are single digit number, always remember you have to write a 0 in front of it. If you don't write 0, you are going to end up with a wrong calculation. So this was our trick of the week. I hope you are enjoying, you are understanding this, and you are having a lot of fun and excitement when you solve Vedic maths. Let's catch you next week. Until then, enjoy your weekend, stay at home and be safe at home.